Hello team. This video is to show you what happens after you move from credit assessment to credit candidate. Okay. So once you go through the process and you're either, through the credit assessment process and you either, will be approved or not, you will move on, okay, to credit candidate. Now, when you come back into your back office and you look at your dashboard, you'll see an extra tab again. This is for your credit repair. You click on instructions and you watch the presentation video on exactly what you need to do to move forward. Now you have a couple of choices here at the moment. This is the reason why I said it was free. Okay, the credit assessment is free. Okay, you do not have to pay for credit assessment. Okay, if you watch the previous video, this is done within the time frame of being able to cancel the identity IQ if you're not approved. All right, so once you move to this stage and watch this presentation, you will discover there's an access credit portal. And if you went through the credit assessment, you already know where this is leading to. This is going to lead over here to your secure back office. Okay, if you're going through the assessment, you'll be aware of that. So we're going to click down to the Pay It Forward program. Now, the Pay It Forward program is what I'm talking about. This is where a candidate will contribute or lend up to $2,500 to repairing your credit. So if you get to this stage, basically, this is the stage that you want. So you'll read all of this, but right here is the most important part. Now, people are saying, oh, it's free and, la, 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 and, the thing is, nothing in life is actually free. Okay, you're not paying a fee, all right, which is, in terminology stage, is free. You're not paying a fee. You're donating towards the credit repair yourself. I mean, think about it. If somebody's willing to come up to, willing to lend you or donate $2,500 to repairing your credit, isn't it a fair assumption that you should be willing to put some money in towards repairing your credit as well? Okay, so right here you'll have the option of how much you want to contribute towards the process. Anywhere from the minimum $200 to the whole amount if you want. If you want to pay the whole amount, you would click over here and pay the whole $2,500 yourself. If you would like to be part of the Pay It Forward program where a hard money lender contributes to that $2,500 for you, you need to donate to something. This is your opportunity right here to impress the lenders. See, right here, if you're willing to put something in towards repairing your credit, that makes you a more likely candidate. You have to have something to risk also, because halfway through the process, someone could say, well, forget it. I don't want to do what I got to do, and la, 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 and these people lose their money. So if they're willing to, take on the brunt of the cost to repair your credit, depending on how much how much repair you need in your credit, not everybody's going to need the same exact amount of attention to their credit assessment and credit repair. Now, the minimum you can invest is $200. Okay, the most would be the whole $2,500. So you decide how much you would like to contribute towards your credit compare. Remember that the lenders are going to see your application. So the more you contribute, the more likely you're going to be accepted in the Pay It Forward program. Or you can choose to pay the whole $2,500 yourself. Okay? And if you watch the presentation video, it'll show you, it'll detail to you how to fill this out. Okay? So that's really what I wanted to show you in this part of the, the next stage in the credit repair process. All right? So I have moved forward. And I'm walking you guys through the process because so far I've only paid $1. That was for Identity IQ, and I'm already a credit candidate. And now I'm at the point where I can contribute to my own credit repair. Now, I've done some credit repair on my own, so my score was already going up. And I guess because I cleared a lot of my things on my own, it made me a better candidate, to get to that 720. All right. So God bless, take care. Thanks for watching the video. It was just to show you the next stage. And after I complete this stage, I will move forward and show you what lies beyond that. Now, one thing back here in your profile, these are your links that you share, but they're different links. One's for credit repair, one's for corporate funding, one's for personal, and an agent link. Okay, so make sure that you use the appropriate link. Now, when you click on these links, they're big, ugly links. So people don't want to, don't have the money to buy a domain. You just come over here to bit.ly.com. That's BITLY.com. Open a free account. And for example, let's see, let's take one of these links. Okay, I'll take the personal funding link. And I'll come over here to bit.ly and I'll show you how it works. You paste the long, ugly link here, and it would turn it. Well, I already did this link. Let me use another one because I want to show you exactly how to do it. Let's do agent. Okay, we'll do the agent link. Okay, let's close these two, and we'll come over here. We'll redo that. So let's start from the beginning again. We're going to click on create, and we're going to paste the ugly long link here, right? And it's going to come up with a tracking link, right? Now, that's ugly. So you can always customize your tracking link. So, peak funding, let's say agent JCW. All right. Now, that's the ending part of my link. I click save. Oh, let's change the title too. Agent link. Okay, now you can copy it from here or you can close this out and your link would be right here. Now when you paste this link, it looks better in the address bar. Let's go ahead and test it out and show you. Look, what did you see it? And it will copy how many clicks you get. I didn't actually click on the link, I pasted it. Let's see if it, yeah, one click, okay? All right, and that's how you get a better looking link for yourself. You can name it whatever you want, whatever's available, and you can use that on your YouTube or when you share information, share to other people on getting their own credit assessment started. All right, now there's no money to pay for the credit to apply. There's no money to pay for the credit assessment. If you watch the previous video, as I was saying, if you watch the previous video, you know that you have to purchase the Identity IQ, and it's $1 for the first 7 days. Okay, and that's enough time to go through credit assessment and see if you're going to be approved or not. And you could always cancel it, okay, at any time. Now, earlier I used the word donation. That is the wrong terminology to use. When the pay it forward in the pay it forward program, they are not investing, but they're donating towards excuse me. I'm sorry, I'm a little tongue tied right now. They're lending you up to $2,500. And the way that you pay this back is once your credit is repaired and you receive personal funding, you'll pay back from that funding. If you don't receive funding, you don't pay it back. It's as simple as that. Now, how can this all be free? How can you go through this entire process and not spend any money out of your own pocket? Now, this is the option that makes it free. You can sign up and register for peak funding, and you can offer the services to other people and earn income from them going through the process. Okay? Whichever option or offer that they utilize, or if they use them all, you earn. Okay, that money you can use towards your credit repair, donating towards the Pay It Forward program, and you would never have to use any of the money out of your own pocket. That's what makes this free. If you would like to go through this process for free, register, get your links out there, and offer credit repair or corporate funding or personal funding to people that need it, to businesses that may need it. They have corporate funding. Okay, there are a lot of people out there, Kickstarter programs or GoFundMe accounts and things like that. So you can always generate some income without paying anything or going through any of the process. And then you can start the process when you're ready. That's what makes it free. So there's no mandatory, obligation to go through this way where you have to pay for the Identity IQ and then donate money. You can generate that income by just registering for a free account and offering the services to other people. And when they start to, enter into your peak funding back office and go through the process, you earn income and they send it directly to your bank account. Okay, and you can utilize that money to move forward in your own credit repair, your own personal funding. Okay, that's what makes it a free opportunity, guys. I just wanted to throw that in there real quick. I keep forgetting to say that, but I didn't forget it this time. All right, well, take care and God bless.